Climate Week Zurich reinforced that sustainability is no longer a narrative. It is a value driver and a business risk that must be fully integrated within business strategy and capital allocation.
The real problem is the gap between what organizations say and what their systems can evidence that they actually do. And that gap is where greenwashing risk materializes.
When taking the first step, we really need to be pragmatic. Start by identifying what maturity affects your organization, and then choose 1 to 2 levers where you can really have an impact. And for those, we can really build clear actions, a clear governance and ownership, and clear metrics for success.
If sustainability sits on the side, you're actually managing yesterday's business. If it's at the core, you're building tomorrow. Sustainability should be integrated in business because it's already reshaping the business fundamentals. It's about cost, it's about growth and risk today, not in 10 years. Energy prices, supply chains, regulation, customer expectations, all of this is moving extremely fast.